Hello, and thank you for joining me here with data science teacher Brandon. And we're going to do a walkthrough of our DataSimple Python Data Analysis Bootcamp. So when you come to www.datasimple.education, you can go to the bootcamps right here. It'll take you to the hub for all of the bootcamps. If you haven't purchased access, get access here, right here. So it'll take you to where we have our current plans available, so the Data Analysis Bootcamp. And so we go to the AI-Enhanced Python Data Analysis Bootcamp, go to the hub for this specific bootcamp. Here is a list of the syllabus of the class. You go to the actual bootcamp classes. We have each of our individual classes here, all 9 of them that are currently available. Clicking on the link right here will take you to the classes. Go to walk you through the classes that are in there. You can download the presentation right from the start right here, and that I go through in individual class. And that's that
Hello,
great
and
data
thank you for.
scientist right there, data science teacher Brandon, going through all of the details of every class. A good explanation, going into deeper detail about what's happening in any individual plot. And we explain important arguments that you would use with that plot and things to be aware of and concerned with why you would use the plot. So bust understanding of different plots. Going into the mnemonic map, a summary of the mnemonics that we used in this class. And we can download the presentation again here at the end. 30 minutes going over a Python workbook. Click right here and download the Jupyter notebook, and then you can download the data set from right here. So thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you in the Python Data Analysis Bootcamp.